Hello folks, Scott with Dallas Paint Correction. I want to do something real quick. I want to do a follow-up on this Griot's Garage ceramic glass coating kit. Folks, I got to come up with a t-shirt. I've been saying this quite a bit since I've been back on YouTube. I go, it's so cheap, they're almost giving it away. But with Griot's, the ceramic glass coating, was really cool. If I open up this box, take a load of this stuff, man. This is a solvent-based ceramic glass coating. Lasts up to a year. They claim up to a year on the front windshield. If you put it on the side glass, up to 2 years. This is an 8-ounce bottle of a solvent-based ceramic glass coating for $19.99. Found at AutoZone, all that good stuff. It's incredible. Thanks, Griot's. It's like they're giving it away. I got to get a t-shirt made up. But here, I want to do something here. About a week ago, I applied it to half this windshield. I only applied it to the driver's side. I wasn't quite halfway down the center, but somewhat. But the thing that's interesting, I'm going to zoom in here and let you see the glass. Like, I'm going to zoom in over here. I've not washed the vehicle at all. Hopefully it's picking it up by camera. You see all that light dust and pollen that's all over that side of the windshield? But when we come over here, yes, there's still light dust and pollen there, but not as heavy. Not such a buildup like it is on that side. Hopefully you guys can see that. I think you can. But anyway, let me back up and let's just see the hydrophobic properties of this glass coating. Obviously, I haven't washed the vehicle. I'm just going to simply rinse it. It's got dirt and contaminants on it. Let's see how hydrophobic it is. Again, I only coated the driver's side. Let's see what happens when we hit it with water. I've got some remnants of something on the left side. Might be a sealant or something, and it's just slowly drifting off. But look at the hydrophobic nature of the Griot's glass ceramic coating. Again, I haven't washed this thing. It's still got some type of contaminants on it, dust and dirt, but it's freaking fantastic. I'll zoom in a little bit closer. Hopefully you guys can see this. I always get worried because it's like so bright outside. Let me turn the camera a little bit. I think I zoomed in a little bit closer, right? The thing that's interesting is when I get really close with the power washer gun, I can't flood the glass at all. You see over there, can you guys see what I'm doing? I hope you guys can see. Well, let me zoom out and push you over to this side here, this side of the glass. You can see I've got something on it, maybe some type of old sealant or wax or whatever, but it floods pretty easy. You can see down here it floods pretty easy. I must have some remnants of something over there, but on the Griot side, oh my God, folks, I love this stuff because it's, why do I love it? Because it's almost like they're giving it away. It's so cheap. $19.99 for 8 ounces. Somebody asked me, Scott, how many cars can I get out of that bottle? I don't know, 100? Who knows? Who cares at $19.99? Even if you only got 20, 30 cars, you're way ahead of the game. I don't know what else to say. For $19.99 for a ceramic glass coating that performs that way, again, I don't go down the rabbit hole. Is that going to last a year? I've used it. I've gotten 9, 10 months out of a front windshield. That's fine with me. It's much more hydrophobic than Rain X and 8-ounce bottle. If you're a pro and you've applied like a typical traditional pro ceramic coating or glass coating on somebody's windshield, and you want to give them a little facelift every once in a while, one of your clients need a facelift or a little bit of a boost, folks, I would have this in my arsenal all day long. I no longer professionally detail. If I was, I'd be buying this all day long. Griot's, thank you again. What a great performer on that glass. I love it. Hope that helps you out, guys. Love you so much.